Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to talking about MT Mugello helmets. So if you're watching this channel for first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I wish to thank my friend Samarth for giving this helmet for review. Actually, this is the most stylish entry-level MT helmets available in the market. Its price is around 4,500 rupees. This helmet comes with a pin lock, max vision plain visors, but if you want a mirror visor, then you need to pay extra 1,100 more. This helmet comes with a good ventilation system, that is 2 on the top and 1 on the front. And also, this helmet comes with a good quality paddings. It is very thick. It is enough to save your neck from a high-speed collisions. The exciting feature of this helmet was it have a chin protector. That is pretty cool feature on entry-level helmets like this. The strap of this helmet is in a really good quality and it comes with a D-ring lock. The main advantage of the D-ring lock was if you met with a high-speed collision, our helmet will not go off from our head really fast. That is pretty cool feature in this helmet. This helmet comes with dual certification, which is DOT certified as well as ECE certified. The shape of the helmet is pretty sharp, but not as sharp as MT blade helmets. So that's it guys, this helmet is really cool, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon, and don't forget to like, share. I hope this video find useful for my viewers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Until next time, bye bye, ride safe.